What's up, YouTube? What's up, Sneaker World? It's your guy again, JU12, aka Bubba, back with another quick review. And tonight I'll be giving you guys a quick look at the Jordan 17 Solefly, aka alternate lightnings. And as always, guys, before we get started, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and also push that notification bell for upcoming videos, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, let's get into the kicks. And as you can see here, I have the Jordan 17 Solefly, aka alternate lightning. Now, these first drop or first release, this was back February 24th, and the retail price is at $225. And now, for the people that know, and the people that's around me that they know that one thing I don't mess with really, I don't like it. I actually hate that they do is make lows. This shoe, I gave an exception to it. It's an actual low, but it actually with the sock liner doesn't really give you that low feel, but I think they're dope. I actually think these are actually dope. Now, as far as just regular lows that they make when they're doing the 11s, I don't like those. But these are mad dope. Love the colorway on these. And let me get you guys let you look at these here. The material here on your leather, this top part here is like an ostrich leather is what I'm hearing. I hear people say and what I've looked up. And it's kind of got like that. You can see when my camera pick it up. It's got those dots there on there. Got your Jordan there on your lace locks there, on your lace tabs. Silver going all the way around. On all 17s, you got the silver and you got Jordan right there. There's your bottom and your outsole. Those are mad crazy. Here's your front of your shoe. 360 of it. But the leather on these are very, very soft and very buttery. Very, very, very sweet. But as far as the low, like I said, these are dope. I will give them that. And they were only limited to 2,300 pairs, and these are individually numbered. Let me see, let you guys see what number I have here. On the inside of your sock line, also you got 23 there, and you have your number listed right there, 1021 out of 2,300. And on your insole, there it is. You have Solefly on the inside, size 10. Everyone knows. But dope insole. The outsole, very dope. On your back there, you have Solefly over there and the Jumpman logo over there. Now also, inside the box, they did give us 2 dust bags for each shoe, which is very dope. I absolutely love that. And shout out to Solefly actually for the collaboration with Jordan. They've put out some pretty dope collabs with them. Those are mad sweet. But the one thing everything with these is very dope. The only thing I was a little down about was the box. I thought they would give us a little bit better box, but hey, that's cool. But it's still a dope product. So that's pretty much gonna do it. Let you guys get another look one more time at these. Very, very dope shoe. Definitely. And guys, definitely, I'm gonna go ahead and sign out, guys. This has been JUDL12, aka Bubba. This is the Bubba Files. Lego.